and welcome to the On Air channel. I'm your Social Space Curator, Ellie Jńe, and today we are doing a video around leather and cutting it through the Sizzix Switch automatic machine. So I got this question on Pinterest, and basically they were asking, can we just see you run, faux leather and real leather through the Sizzix machine? So let's go ahead and give it a try. Right, and the point that she was really getting at was, of course, she wanted to make earrings and things like that. So I have some earring dies that I got on Amazon. Find the link below. That you can definitely try out for yourself as well. So in saying that, let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so the first things first, let's turn our machine on. I don't know if I'm showing a good angle here. And then I'm going to open this machine up, and then, yes, let's talk about the different leathers. So I got this faux leather, and I have it in multiple different colors. I got this faux leather on Amazon. The back has kind of like a felt feel to it, and it's extremely flimsy and thin. So we're going to cut that one first. So I'm going to put this off to the side, and I'm going to cut it on top of the magic mat. And I think the best value out of this video is just knowing how to like stack these up with such a thin die and seeing if it can do it. Now this real leather, I'm very curious to see how it's going to turn out because it has the same thickness, but I'm not too sure how it's going to actually push through, but it is real leather. I got this leather from Hobby Lobby. So this one is from Amazon and this one is from Hobby Lobby. Real leather, faux leather, real leather, faux leather. Okay, first things first. So our machine is on, and then I also have the platform, then the metal die sheet here for thinlits, and then I have the Max magic mat, and then I have the top shim here and our die. So I'm just going to choose, I really hate when I do the middle of a project. I need to kind of bring this down. I'm going to make sure that the faux leather is in the middle of the platform here, and I'm going to, or where I want to cut is in the middle of the platform here, and then I'm going to put this die on top. So we're going to do our first run through, and I'm actually just trying on the fly, so I don't know this answer just yet. Let's see. All right, it seems to take it. I'm going to actually put it in reverse. I'm doing it in reverse because this is a thicker material, and I want to make sure that it cuts through in the first pass and we don't mess anything up. And here is the cut. Let's see if it made it through. It didn't make it through. Okay, so that was the first cut. I'm going to actually try this again, and I'm going to do it with the real leather. Okay, so the reason why I'm trying the real leather next is because I just want to see at the very basic pass through, is it going to receive the leather in the middle of this sandwich between like the platform, middle die, magic mat, and this last shim. So what I'm thinking to do to kind of combat this, if it doesn't go through, I might add a little bit more pressure by adding some paper in between so it can cut all the way through. But let's give it a try. So this leather rejected it. I did not press reverse on the end. So it rejected it because it was too thick. So I'm going to take away the metal shim, and then I'm going to try it again. Let's see. All right, I'm gonna consider that one pass through, and we're gonna see what happens here. So the metal, I don't even know if you can even see the lines. The metal shim, the thinlet didn't do anything. So the question is asked, does the die cut actually cut through these metals? No, it's absolutely, this die cut is absolutely too shallow. It's not gonna cut through real leather, and usually real leather requires a more heavy duty die in order to cut it, and it takes some different equipment to get through this leather. So no. As far as like the faux leather, I am going to try to get the perfect consistency to actually push this on through. It probably needs another layer of paper of some sorts. But we're going to do a trial and error. So first things first, I'm going to actually do this right next to this die, right next to the former cut. And then I have a piece of paper back here that I'm going to lay on top of it. And this just is like a little piece of cardstock that I just covered with some, what do you call it, wallpaper, because I just wanted, I have another project going on. The Crafter's Life. Okay, so we're gonna feed it through and see if it receives it. All right, and then I'm gonna reverse it again and see if it does it. And I mean, it gives a good even impression to the point where it impressed the actual page here. I'm gonna try this again and see if it cut it out. And I don't know if you can really see how thin that cut is, but it's fairly close, and I think it's probably going to require a little bit more pressure, but this machine is more than likely not going to be able to feed it through, because the more pressure means the higher this platform is going to be, and it's going to be extremely difficult to feed it through this machine. So the only option here is to take some scissors and basically get the best cut that you can and then finish cutting it through. I personally do not like that for scissors, simply because, you know, scissors are kind of not even. Now, the one thing that I will recommend if you are trying to make some earrings with a die machine, go ahead and cut with Cricut. Cricut is very much so the machine to cut through your leather. So if you want a video on me cutting leather with Cricut, let me know. But for the most part, it is a no-go with faux leather and real leather, and using your dies. It's just not really safe to put through your Big Shot switch machine, or else you're probably going to have to ruin your warranty by trying it. So yeah, no. In saying that, thank you guys for watching this video. Definitely check out some of my other crafting videos and baking videos. I'm really excited for quite a few new projects that I have coming out, and I really look forward to sharing it with you. So in saying that, I'm signing off as Ellie Jńe, your social space curator. I'm on Instagram and Pinterest, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Bye, guys.